Beneath the canopies of our forests, the journey of our rivers begin. These veins of earth pulse with life-giving waters, cradled by the green embrace of trees. Yet, we carve into these vital organs of life, the forests, and replace those with industries, dams and roads. Our economy, our very way of life, is entwined with water's flow. But this lifeline is threatened by our actions. As guardians of our planet, it's time to act with discipline. And as individual citizens, let's sort out our waste and stop polluting our rivers. Generations to come will thank us for our actions.